today we're going to cook outside my dad's house, and we're going to do smash burgers.
Yum, smash burgers.
So if you never had smash burgers, hang around. I'm going to break out my flat top that goes on my grill, and I'm using Dad's old grill that had rusted out on the inside, but the casing of it is in perfect shape. I don't know what that sucker's made out of, but it's it's ready to go. So all I did was gutted it out. I still got the grates. I'm not closing the lid because the inside of the lid needs some work. We're just going to leave it open. Put my flat top in there on top of some hot, we got lump coals, right?
Lump coals.
Lump coals. So hang around. We're at my dad's house. And instead of keep bringing my grill over here and cooking, well, Dad has an old gas grill that pretty much rotted out on the inside. And so what I did last week, I come in and gutted the inside and just left the grates. So we're going to open it up. I'm putting charcoals down there. Rebecca had to go to the store for I forgot my pans. We're going to put some aluminum pans down in there. Just let you see what it is. Yeah, I just pulled the burners out. They were rusted, and it's a good, I don't know what that's made out of. It's almost like cast iron that the lid's made of. It's an Optima grill. Don't really know if that's the name brand or what, but we're going to use it as a charcoal grill. So I got two of these small ones turned upside down, and I'm going to set it on top so it'll bring it right up under the flat top. And I have a little drain hole on this side here from the camera side, and I have a chain that I'm going to run through that hole down to that pan right there. And that's what the excess oil will drip to. But then again, I don't know that this is a level place. A big old turkey pan that's sitting on top of those two little ones. Now, we've tested it out. I could sit my thing right on top, but I'm thinking if I push on it, it may slide down some. So, yeah, it may slide down. So we're going to put the grill, once I put the coals in there, we're just going to set these old grill grates on top, and they need some heat on them anyway, so I can work on them. Okay, I added the hot coals. It really didn't have enough in there, so I just put some on top, and we're going to go ahead and get these old grates on top right now. Set them in place. And we're just going to let that get good and hot again, and I'm going to place my flat top on there in about 10 minutes. All you want to do is you just want to take your loose hamburger, get about a handful, unless you're making big ones. I'm just barely sticking them together. You don't want to really patty them. Just barely get them to sticking together. Put the flat top on. Right over there. We'll leave it. Yeah, we're going to take this chain right down in this hole, and that grease will follow this chain. You can't have no kinks in your chain. But yeah, that grease will follow that chain right down into there. The excess you just put over here. A little bit might get on the grill there, but that's fine. Alright, we're going to get a little oil on there. We're going to let this get hot, and we're going to throw our onions and peppers on there first. Put a little butter right there. And we're going to throw the onions and peppers in there. Heat's right in here. Alright, so while these are finishing off, we're just going to move them right up here. We're going to go ahead and get our burgers on. We're going to stick it right here. We're going to smash it down, and we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. Alright, we're going to get us another one right here.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't get.
Go ahead and this on the flip. And slide these over just a little bit. A little water under there. Get the cheese to melt. Put a little mayonnaise on here. I'm going to put a tomato on here. Go ahead and add this to this. And there's my beautiful sandwich. Look how messy that is. I'm going to put it over here so we can get a good look at it. Looking beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and get a bite out of it. Okay, I'm going to give this a taste. Wow, that's delicious. It's juicy, moist, all those flavors in there. If you hadn't made a smash burger before, you got to try this. This was delicious. All right, I'm going to finish these up. We're going to get them inside and we'll do an ending.